Paino hai shos tinang channel lam sogo jotono norok oro podre pod gospel related norok program nong nani bagi subscribe.
Hello, you're live. Thank you for welcoming us. My name is Chris. Okay, please. Yep. This is Kelly. And Jared.
Okay, Jared.
We are very honored to be here from New Zealand. Thank you for your warm welcome and a beautiful church with beautiful people. We are very excited to be here tonight for the celebration. And we hope to share maybe 2 songs with you from our country.
Okay, you can sing. Afterward, okay, you just finish everybody.
So this church is big and beautiful. The church is big and beautiful.
Yes,
Yes, but the people inside. So the church, the building is big and beautiful, but the people inside are more beautiful. We are very honored to be here with you today. Thank you for spending time with us. And we will take you with us in our hearts back to New Zealand. We will be praying for you, and we will be supporting you through prayer and other things in the years to come.
Thank you. They got Sanai Chris, what a pastor job. They got Sanai for a pastor or I know.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Now we do this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ya, no, Dia kita perlu lahir. Now we have our secretary use that also.
Beautiful.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.